Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming your iPhone 14 Pro is updated and authorized to show dynamic island features. Once done, grant notification and live activity permissions in Settings so apps can push data into the island. Next, open Control Center and test a supported app like Timer or Music to see the island activate. Make sure background app refresh is on so updates appear live. These steps let the island receive content and display it without delays or missing animations. Now learn how to use the island in motion. Tap to expand a running activity and reveal controls or details, and long press when you need full quick controls like pause or skip. When multiple activities overlap, the island intelligently splits or stacks them. Swipe left or right to cycle through or dismiss transient alerts. Make sure to practice with music, timers, and maps so you understand the gesture differences. Short tap for quick glance, press for controls, swipe to clear, and why each interaction behaves that way. Finish by customizing which apps can use Dynamic Island inside their notification settings so you only get relevant content. If the island becomes unresponsive, restart your iPhone and toggle live activities off and on for the affected app to force a refresh. If problems persist, make sure iOS is up to date and consider a settings reset. This preserves data while refreshing system behaviors. One key troubleshooting tip: test with Apple's built-in timer or music app to isolate whether the issue is app-specific or system-wide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.